Leppy with the goat, Jeremy. He does stuff. He does
That's
animal.
not my name.
I don't care. I'm not gonna dox you, so.
Hey guys, it's Leppy here.
Alright, fine. Well, his team name is Jeremy, so I'm gonna call him like that. We're
Yeah,
playing Fever
just call me
Dynasty.
Leppy.
I haven't played it in like 8 years, so. Guys,
It's kind of annoying, not gonna lie.
yo, I'm gonna call you Jeremy because I don't feel like saying Leppy. I'm not saying Leppy. I'm just gonna put.
Say Leppy.
Fine, I'm just gonna say Leppy.
He's a bit ding dong in the
Leppy,
head.
get back here! Get back here!
Yeah, he's a bit something. Yeah, nothing.
Alright, so, alright guys, just so you know, Leppy, you suck.
Okay, I see what you said. No, I do not.
We're gonna get 2 walkie-talkies. Yes! Well, I gotta see Oh.
And she's not a pro.
We're going to Val.
She's not a pro.
There's a scary new monster. Are you ready to see this scary?
Why? You say? Oh my, you stole mine.
Keep them on, because they might go there.
What did I say? Oh, is it always on?
Yeah, it can stay on for the entire day. One person has the bridge at one person on the bridge at one time. Alright, then you can go. Yes! Okay. Come on. Yay! What? It's a mine. Yo. I guess there's gonna be a miner. There's gonna be a miner. Get it.
It's where the baby is. Hey, it also says keep out the door, you know.
Got another key. Right. I'm the keysmith. Yo, there's a mine! It's a Minecraft. I'm not. Spam right. Dog! Yo! Right! It's a rare Zendar! It's like very rare.
I'm hearing right now.
See that? That's very rare. It's very rare. Don't lose it. It's actually really rare.
Why is he like an onion?
Rare. You can be like up to like $100. Here. No, I'll carry that. You carry.
We got this in the bag.
And then we're gonna go down there. And we're gonna go to the fire exit. We should just get them.
Okay, man.
Alright, right. So I'm gonna. Alright. So what's this? Right. You take this stuff back. I'm gonna go to fire exit and see what happens.
Okay.
Place it out. walkie-talkie on? Please, Bryce, do you have your walkie-talkie on? Bryce? God, everything's locked. Okay,
Attacking me, bro.
what?
This bird's attacking me.
Like reptiles?
You serious, Anna?
Holy. Yo, I see the birds. They're huge. Yo, yeah, Bryce, I see them. They're right there. Yo, are you the biggest bird? I thought we'd be friendly. Are you the
He
biggest
is
bird?
not the biggest bird. Do not try not. You
Oh my God!
Oh yeah, you're good.
Hey, Paolo. Hey, you can talk. You can talk.
He just wants some water. Give him a fish.
Yo. Bryce, I'm right here. You can. Whoa. Please, sir. Let me pass by. Let me pass by. Giant sapsucker. Let me pass by, please. What? What is it? What? What? I did nothing! I did nothing! I did nothing to your life! Run, please. Bryce? Bryce? You alive?
Are you dead?
No.
Where are you?
I'm at ship.
I kinda need some help.
Just bring the stuff back. I'm coming. You might be close. I'm probably gonna end it one
What was that?
Wow, I heard a bird cry. It might be like the giants like attacking the bird. Yeah, I don't know what's going on.
It's a freaking dinosaur. There's a dinosaur attacking the bird.
It's a dinosaur?
Yeah, I need help.
Give me it. Drop. Yep, right. Yep, be on this rock. Okay?
Oh.
I'm gonna go see what the thing is.
Do that.
Sigurd's danger level 10%, never mind 8%.
Mine, there's something at the ship. It's a big dot.
Oh, it's a worm. Giant sapsucker is a woodpecker belonging to the Genesis, also known as sapsuckers. As the name suggests, they are by far the largest of the species. Males on average are 5 feet tall, while females are. Oh! So, Bryce, do you remember the not Bryce,
The bird?
but Leppy? Yeah. Do you remember the bird that kept on like around the ship?
Yeah.
That was the male, and the one that had like a little spot, that was the female going. I don't know. They're fiercely.
They're gonna be fighting each other.
They are fiercely protective mothers, partially due to their opportunistic nature. And if anything crosses their boundaries, they will attempt to feed it to their youngings in pieces. They are dangerous to humans as well, as it recommends to stay out of their territory. They have been destructive to some forests and ecosystems, although they do not multiply as quickly as other species. They've been known as nomads, traveling very far, very quickly, which makes their population difficult to track. Richard is also a giant sapsucker.
So basically, they're overpowered.
Yeah, so there should, I think, so it said that there's not a lot, so there should be only like one set of them.
$170.
Yeah, I don't want to go to Val anymore. I don't like Val. We should go to. But if there's a giant sapsucker gonna peck me to death, I'm gonna like crash out. I'm not kidding. There might not be. There might not be because it said there was a. Yeah, right. Look at this. See how come like it records in front of your face? It's like hilarious.
So, yeah.
Just keep on screaming right. Alright, guys. Don't make the jump. You never make the jump. You never make the jump.
Okay, are you actually?
Bryce, you remember on VR?
You compare that to a game.
This is a game. Oh, okay, Bryce. Oh, apparatus is over here. The apparatus is over. Oh! I found a plastic stick. I found a fish. Alright, okay, Bryce. Remember that apparatus is over there.
Okay.
Come on, Bryce. There's no fire. Grab the key in the meantime. I'm gonna bring it back. Let's do this. Right, you're gonna be so cooked when the dogs come, because you have like a mechanical keyboard, so I can hear like. I can hear going. Ah!
We're going at 2, so we need to eat shower.
Come on, Debbie. Look. Now. What are you doing with your life, man?
Okay, I don't know.
For the company.
This is gonna be my last planet. Last planet. Last planet for the day. Let me try.
Let's go get the apparatus.
Ooh.
Oh! Let's get out of here, man. Yo, I don't want to get the apparatus. Get on the ship! Bye!
Okay. Alright. Go in off here.
I thought we have one more there.
No, but.
Alright guys, gotta like and subscribe. I've been subbing
Yeah.
12 subscribers for 3 videos. So you
Like he said.
subscribe. You gotta like and subscribe.
Yep.